Hello guys, thank you for watching Flores by Flora, and if you're new here, please do subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do another unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this is a huge box. This is from John Lewis. There. John Lewis. So, wow, this is a new one, guys. New.
New for the new year.
Okay. So, open.
Sesame.
It says, ta-da! Oh, so this. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, guys. So. Okay, guys. So now this is Lenovo.
Have a look first, see where you're supposed to open it. This is the bottom, I think.
This is the bottom.
Yeah.
So it's like that.
Yeah, so you need to open that.
Okay guys, so now we're going to open. Let's open and see how it looks like. Oh, like that. There. And here. Ooh. It's not in a plastic.
I hope it's not used.
And it's out of the plastic. So this is that's all, because I'm expecting something more. So it's very unusual. It's out from the plastic.
Somebody's already used it and returned it. I hope not.
Or maybe they tried it first before sending.
I don't know.
Okay, so that is
Yeah, you can leave that as it is. We won't plug it in now.
and
Later.
okay, so let's okay. So this is it, guys. So that's the thing there. So let's open. Ta-da! Okay, so more leaflet. And that's the thing. So so this is blue. What color is this, darling?
It's a
It's
very
like
dark blue.
Dark blue. Yeah. Not purple.
No.
Not dark purple.
No.
So the switch on and off switch in there. Oh no, on switch on because it switches off by itself, is it?
You should do when you log out.
Yeah. So just like that. So this is rapid charge boost camera with privacy shutter. Oh, so there's a camera there.
Yeah.
So that's good. Camera.
Webcam.
So that's very nice. You like it, darling?
Yeah, it's alright. As long as it works properly and
Yeah.
it's not difficult to use.
Yeah.
Those are the two main things.
Yeah. Because you know, guys, this is not for me, it's for my husband.
Because the one I got now is 18 years old.
Yeah, so this is a new
And
one.
it's so slow, and it's not doing a lot of things it's supposed to do anymore.
Yeah, so this should be
It's
easy.
getting old like me.
So it's nice. It's very, it's light. So it's nice.
Yeah, oh, they're making them slimmer
And
and
it's
lighter these days.
slimmer.
Problem is there's no DVD player in it. There's no Ethernet socket.
How about that? There's the thing there.
USB, probably.
USB and then the charger there.
Yeah,
And then, oh, there's some more in there.
should be.
Yeah. Also, this
And
is for the
also
headset.
Card reader, SD card reader, should be.
It's the card reader.
And for earphones, headphones, socket.
So it's nice. It's very light. Not very very light, but it's lighter. Yeah. And it also is slimmer, so it's very good. But the thing is, it's a bit longer, like that. Because anyway, you use it at home anyway. Yeah, you don't take it outside at all. So it just stay home, so it doesn't matter. So, wow, well done, darling. Congratulations, you got your new laptop.
Yeah.
Amazing.
£280 from John Lewis. Supposed to be
Lewis.
a special discount price. I thought it was already expensive at that price.
Oh yeah. Because I thought before, that thing they give this like a hand carry bag,
Yeah, that's the other brand, Asus, I think.
Oh, Asus. So I thought it's the same like this.
Yeah.
So you don't need the thing anyway. You don't need to put in a bag.
No. Just use it at home, and that's it.
Yeah, it's good because all these the letterings they are quite big. They are quite big, so it's easy to type. Is it, darling?
Hopefully.
Yeah, it's quite big. It's
Yeah, it
nice.
looks bigger than
It's bigger
the other
than
one I got, and the other one has got a bigger screen. That's 17 inches. This is only 15 and a half. So
this is a smaller screen.
yeah.
Oh yeah, because yours is a bit bigger than this, and it's heavier anyway.
Yeah.
That is the old model, and this one is the new model.
Yeah, the new ones are always slimmer and lighter.
Yeah. So it's so nice.
Have to plug it in later and then give
Yeah,
a review.
Yeah, you have to plug.
Once we use it, learn how to use it.
You only use it for email anyway. Yeah.
Emails and ordering things from Amazon and Sainsbury.
Yes. Yeah. So this is it. This is the unboxing for today, guys. This laptop, Lenovo laptop. Yes.
What's
it's
the-
the Intel Core.
Yeah, what is the model number? Is it on the box? Where is the box?
This.
I don't know if it's on there. Because they probably use the same box for several different models. Maybe a little label on there that says the model number. I think it's i3 something. i3 Slim something.
3-cell battery. Intel i3 N305. i3-N305. So this is i3N something. I forgot to read it. I like it. I like this all this lettering, all the letters thing.
Yes.
It's huge. It looks nice. It looks shiny, sparkling. It's it's sparkling.
Because it's a brand spanking new.
It's so nice. Thank you so much, guys, for watching unboxing for today. This Lenovo
Laptop.
laptop. Thank you so much. Love, love, love.